Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Tesla price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the all-time history for Tesla, we're looking here from the $1 chair for Tesla history as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1 as an impulse, of course, or a wave A in a zigzag. After this, we are looking, of course, at 3 waves toward the downside with a wave 2 or a wave B, of course, in continuation toward the upside in both case scenario, where you would like to see a wave 3 toward the upside as 5 impulsive waves and also 5 impulsive waves for a wave C as well, to finish an ABC zigzag or basically a 1, 2, 3, and looking for a wave 4 and continuation toward the upside for a wave 5, where you would like to reach, of course, the all-time high, which we already did so far, but basically it is only in 3 waves so far. And that because, of course, we have here in the wave 1 just 3 waves and not an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which claiming, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside. We got only an ABC. And then in that case scenario, the only way to move toward the upside and finishing this wave 5 for an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is, of course, an ending a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where your wave 4 can interfere with your zone 1 here. And in that case scenario, you would like to see, of course, the wave 3 do not overshoot the 121 fib level to not invalidate, of course, this diagonal. But this is exactly what it happened for Tesla, and of course it went very high, taking the all-time high as well, but yeah, invalidation of this contracting diagonal. And that because your wave 3 is longer than your wave 1, and this is not allowed per rule of Elliott wave. Now, in that case scenario, we don't have an impulse and we don't have a contracting diagonal, and we cannot say we have 1, 2, 1, 2 because your first 1, 2 should be an impulse, and it is not the case here. Therefore, I would say be careful from this pattern. It becomes, of course, bearish. And that because after 3 waves down, 3 waves up, you are looking for 5 waves toward the downside as a correction. And that might bring us for a longer wave 4 in case we are still bullish. But it needs a little bit more time, of course, after finishing this wave C toward the downside, continuation toward the upside to finish a wave 5. In that case scenario, I suggest, of course, to bring the timing of Elliott wave here, which it takes the wave 2 as a reference and your wave 3 as a base point, of course, for this time. And if we have a wave 2, wave 4 over 2, don't forget that, most probable scenario that your wave 4 can, of course, move to double time of your wave 2. And that means, of course, it might still need sometimes to unfold here. And as you can see, it might still need until August 2025 to finish this wave 4. It means to bottom, of course, for this wave 4 here, and then start to move toward the upside. So we might see here a kind of a sharp 5 waves toward the downside, and then continuation to finish, of course, this bull run for Tesla as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In case we are not, of course, here as a continuation toward the upside, which is less possibility, you would have, of course, A, B, C, and then A, B, and a C, and then even higher prices again, because 3 waves up, 3 waves down, again, 1 more wave toward the upside. So basically, after this drop, in both case scenario, Tesla is looking for higher prices. Now, let's talk about the target. If we take the targets from the wave 2 to your wave 3 here, and we, of course, target a wave 4, as you can see, we have reached so far the 0.38, which is a perfect target for a wave 4. As you can see, it has been touched already here, and we might still revisit it. So it is very possible as well that the price action move impulsively to revisit this, take the low a little bit with few prices or few dollars, and then moving for higher prices again. So probably 107 can be, of course, a target, and that because of the 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and your wave here is longer than your wave 1, invalidation of any kind of bullish scenarios. So let's take care with this and trade safe with Tesla. That was it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.